It is, I don't even know what time it is, on October 24th, and we have been here for 18 hours working on the Xterra. Let's go look at it. So walking up to the build, you see a Titan to my left, you see a Titan to the front, and over here you see the build. And here's a little secret. It's got a VK56. Now originally this was LS swapped, and we'll get into that in another video. But right now, it's got a VK56. So Nissan engine, Nissan build. So as you can see, we have got Barry here that is arguing with the harness, the wiring. We are just in harness hell, and we are actually waiting for a driver's side floor harness to get overnighted from Tennessee because we needed it. So this is what it looks like right now. And we had to take the interior back out because of the floor harness, and now we are just in, I don't even know what mode we are anymore. We are an hour 18 of getting this put together, and it is a lot. However, we did get the roof rack on, and you can't have an Xterra without a roof rack, and I wanted to keep that kind of OEM look, keep the Xterra heritage. So there's a couple updates to it, and yes, it's got some matching paint, but you know, we're making a lot of progress. And yes, you can see my Stagia RS4V in the background, but that's a whole nother video. Hey Adrian, how many hours do you think you've personally put into this build?
At least over 30 at this point. And
why are you doing it?
Because it's a learning process for me. I get to work with some of my favorite techs, and it helps out the company and you. So.
And do you want to do this again?
Not anytime soon, but yes.
My exact same thoughts. And another little sneak peek for everybody, you can see that the new Frontier doors have some color match trim. We have a rear spoiler that's going on, and we have some more color matched trim going into that center console. And over here we have Joey that has been drilling holes for like what, 2 hours?
Yeah,
are you having
some metal in the skin over here?
You having fun?
Love working on this.
Are you excited to go to SEMA?
Oh, I'm beyond ecstatic.
Are you excited to do this again starting in what, January for next year?
Yes buddy, yes buddy.
A lot of positivity here at 11 o'clock at night. Oh, that's a secret, don't look. No, and that's a secret, don't look. But yeah, we are making a ton of progress, and we are going to have this done over the weekend because on Monday it goes back to the body shop to get the final touches. And I'm going to tell you guys, you may have seen a lot of this at this point, but there's a lot of secrets I've been keeping. Y'all aren't just ready for it, so it's coming. So I will say that the SEMA build has been a crowd of people helping. I have some of the best people, the best companies helping out, believing in my vision, believing in this build, believing in Xterra, believing in Nissan, and I have all of you guys because I have had so much support from Facebook groups, Instagram. It's just overwhelming to see that something that I dreamed about doing is being received so well. It's been a lifetime of love of cars, a lifetime of love for Nissan, customizing cars, building cars, and will I do it again? I don't know, but make sure you like and subscribe because there's going to be a lot of updates. We've got the road to SEMA, the Vegas trip, buttoning up the exterior. There's a photo shoot next week. I mean, it is a big week next week, and we're going to get it done, so stay tuned.